Installed some NAV lights on here. Got two white strobe NAV lights on the front. Solid green on the front. I got two flashing red on the back end of the floats. Yep, flashing red on the back end of the floats. Not bad, not too bad. See if we can change the dull the lighting a little bit, dim the lighting. Alright, so there they are in the front. There we go. And looking pretty good, looking pretty good, looking pretty good. There we go. Pretty good. Alright then. Can't find the record stop button. Now I found it. Alright then folks, there we go.